Richard, canlyniad siomedig, ond hapus efo'r perfformiad?
Oedd lot gwell. Dwi'n meddwl byddwn ni wedi ofyn heno mwy na byd oedd bod ni'n cael reaction o dysadwn. Oedden ni wedi gadael standards ni dropio dysadwn ac fath o ddweud, sa'n ni'n perfformio fath o nath ni heno neu byn ni'n a dysadwn wrach sa'r canlyniad yn holl o wano, ond lle'n ffalt i'r hogia wedyn. O'n i'n bod ni'n creu cyfleoedd da, first half, ond 3 chance da gafon ni wrach. Sa'n ni bach mwy o bwyllog yn y final third na sa'n ni wedi gallu bod yn wahanol, ond maen nhw'n dîm ffantastig, maen nhw'n mynd i gyrra wig am reswm. Dwi'n meddwl ers yn dod allan i Ewrop, maen nhw wedi bod yn ffantastig, so na, clod oedden nhw hefyd.
2 gôl, gynta gôl i rwyd i hun.
Yeah.
Yr ail gan Sean Bradley o bawb.
Yeah.
Dyna ni de.
Yn fod yn holl onast, da ni wedi pwysio trio cael yr equaliser yna. Mae Morgan allan o position, achos da ni'n trio mynd o arwch y chwith, mae'n trio joinio fewn. A Brad's di cheatio wedyn yma wedi ffeindio hyn yn 1v1, so allai'n ffalt yna, da ni'n trio am cael yr equaliser yna, rhoi bob dim llecho bod dim ato fo, wedyn chi'n gorfod cymryd y gampol na weithiau, wedyn pan maen nhw'n ffeindio hyn yn y positions yna, maen nhw'n reit clinical a da ni'n gwybod beth mae Sean yn gallu neud na.
Maen nhw'n gallu dod â chwaraewyr oddi ar y fainc, fysa'n mynd i fewn unrhyw dîm, da chi wedi dod â hogia ifanc ymlaen. Mae'n dangos bod y garfan i gyd yn cael ei ddefnyddio ar hyn o bryd gyda chi.
Yndi, a mae gen ni hogia tîm da yn the 19s na, da ni'n trystio nhw, da sgyn i ddim problem rhoi nhw on, hyd oed TNS o welly, so glod i'r hogia ifanc, a maen nhw wedi cyrraedd ffeinal fyd, so mae gen ni ffydd a mae rhywbeth yn trio neud yn y clwb, sgyn ni'n unbelievable amount o bres, so mae'r academy yna masif yn ei.
Sarge, 3 points, almost there.
Almost there, yeah. I think that's all that matters at the moment, especially with how close we are now and cup semi at the weekend as well. So that's all that matters.
Wasn't easy though. Caernarfon made it difficult for you.
They have made it difficult a number of times over the last couple of years. There's been some days where we've had a really easy night, and there's some days where they've got it spot on, and I think they caused now and again when the likes of Louis Lloyd cheat a little bit, and then the ball turns over, then they're going to cause you problems. But I think final third entries and stuff like that, they caused us a few problems and got to good areas, but I'm not sure how many corners has actually had to save. So last ditch defending, recovery runs, people in the right places, Bods and H, class, Dan Wills again, brilliant. So yeah, like I say, how many saves Connor made, I'm not 100% sure, but like you say, yeah, they do cause you some problems on their night.
You're going to win the league, we can say that, I think. Would you rather win it by winning a game rather than depending on Pen-y-bont on Friday?
Look, I don't really care, to be honest. Honestly, don't really care. It's just important that, obviously, yeah, we're really, really close now, aren't we? And we can almost switch everything now to those cup games.